Make.com versus Zapier. Which automation tool is right for you? Automation is transforming how we work, but with so many tools, how do you choose the best one? Today, we're comparing Make.com and Zapier, two leading platforms loved by automation enthusiasts. Let's uncover their pros, cons, and which one suits your productivity needs. Make.com stands out with its highly visual, drag-and-drop interface. It lets you design detailed workflows or scenarios tailored to unique needs. Perfect for advanced configurations, it's a dream for tinkerers. However, its complexity may require a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. If simplicity is your priority, this might feel overwhelming. Zapier shines with its user-friendly design and focus on simplicity. Its preset zaps, workflows, make it incredibly quick to set up automations, even for first-time users. It's perfect for automating routine tasks with minimal effort. But for power users, Zapier's lack of flexibility for intricate workflows might feel limiting. Though versatile, it's better suited for straightforward applications. When it comes to integrations, Zapier supports over 5,000 apps, making it ideal for widespread compatibility. On the other hand, Make.com's pricing is more affordable for users with complex automation needs, offering scalability at a lower cost. Ultimately, it's a balance between breadth of integrations and workflow sophistication. Evaluate your workflows to decide. Both Make.com and Zapier are fantastic in their own right. Choosing between them depends on your specific needs. Want flexibility and customization? Go with Make.com. Need simplicity and speed? Zapier's your friend. Ready to streamline your tasks, save hours, and revolutionize your workflows? Hit subscribe for more in-depth comparisons. Leave a comment sharing your favorite automation tool, and start exploring the power of automation today.